welcome to Mariah's Health and Wellness channel. So today I'm going to be making raw cauliflower tabouli in the Thermomix. Now this recipe, of course it's plant-based vegan. This recipe, I'm excited about this recipe because it's raw vegan and I've never tried it before. So let's get started. Okay, so I added the vegetables. It's asking for 30 grams of extra virgin olive oil. As you know, if I'm going to eat the recipe myself, I'm SOS free, salt, oil, sugar. So the recipe calls for garnish with fresh basil leaves and serve at room temperature, and that's all. I don't have basil today, but I do have parsley that's fresh from the garden, so I'm just going to use parsley instead. I mean, I just love that, you know, we can tailor recipes any way we wish anyway. So look at that. It looks so good. Serve and enjoy. Raw vegan cauliflower tabouli.